Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Samsung BA75-02208A, the unit housing back. This is an OEM, or original equipment manufacturer, part, meaning it's officially authorized and made by Samsung. This ensures that it meets the exact specifications and quality standards of the original component in your device. It's designed to fit various Samsung brand models, making it a versatile option if you're repairing or restoring a Samsung LCD screen. The part number you're looking for is BA75-02208A. Always double-check this number to ensure compatibility with your specific Samsung model. Using the correct part is crucial for a proper fit and optimal performance. Now, let's talk about the display characteristics. The screen surface is described as glossy. Glossy screens are known for their vibrant colors and sharp image clarity. They tend to make images pop and appear more dynamic. However, glossy screens can also be more prone to reflections, especially in brightly lit environments. Keep this in mind depending on where you typically use your device. The image contrast ratio is listed as 2000:1. This ratio represents the difference between the brightest white and the darkest black that the screen can produce. A higher contrast ratio generally results in a more visually appealing image with deeper blacks and brighter whites, leading to a greater sense of depth and realism. 2000:1 is a solid contrast ratio that should provide a good viewing experience. The display type is LCD, which stands for liquid crystal display. LCDs are a common display technology used in a wide range of devices, from TVs and monitors to smartphones and tablets. They're known for their relatively low power consumption and good image quality. The specific display technology used is also LCD, reinforcing the type of screen you're dealing with. In summary, the Samsung BA75-02208A unit housing back is an OEM part designed to restore or repair Samsung LCD screens. Its glossy screen, 2000:1 contrast ratio, and LCD technology offer a visually pleasing experience. Just be mindful of potential reflections due to the glossy finish. Always verify the part number to guarantee compatibility with your Samsung device. If you need to replace the back housing of your Samsung LCD, this OEM part is definitely worth considering for its quality and perfect fit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.